hard, squishing the glue everywhere. And I might have put a little bit too much, but it's all good. If you put too much glue, well then you've got to push up too hard, but it will never fall. See, it's squishing out here, so you know you've got it super full. And there you have it. What I always do also is the last thing that I do before I go home. I always check my miters to make sure they're flush. One's not sticking out further than the other. Where'd you see my wedges? A good thing that holds everything together is a wedge or two. Just like that. Just like that. But always, before you go home, just run or before you go to bed, if you're a DIY and you're doing it at night, just before you go to bed, just check your miters that they're nice and flush, and then you go, bloody beautiful. And there you go. Checking that, that's all there is to it. Now I reckon that's pretty cool, because it brings your floor up into your niche. Okay, I'll start on the hob. I'll get set up and then I'll turn the camera on. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Woo! Is that quirk even? Yes, it is. That's good. Right. Right, good one. I'm happy with that. Okay, yeah, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you soon. I'll get set up for this, and you'll see it the next night. See ya, bye.